hardware resources, premium Rollout cookware and bottle organizers are the perfect solution to conquer clutter. Organize pots, pans, cookie sheets, muffin tins, cutting boards, baking dishes, and more in the cookware units, which come in single and double drawer configurations. Use the bottle units to store sports bottles or liquor bottles up to 4 inches in diameter. Each unit is available in 3 sizes: 15-inch, 21-inch, and 27-inch for drawer base cabinets. The cookware organizers feature movable dividers that utilize a pin and groove system for maximum flexibility. The double drawer model adds a top drawer that pushes back and out of the way for full access to the lower drawer. The double drawer bottle organizer comes with a 15-bottle grid that is adjustable for left or right side preference in the 2 larger sizes, which also come with extra dividers to accommodate even larger bottle storage needs.